Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So in today's video, I'm trying an embroidery kit, which is also a kiss lock coin purse kit from New Craft Day. They were kind enough to send me two of their kits. One is a simple embroidery kit and one is with the kiss lock coin purse embroidery kit. So this is the first kit I received. It contains the lining of the coin purse. It also contains the exterior material on which I will be embroidering one face, and also some cotton pads which go on the inside to make it more sturdy. It also has embroidery thread, color coded, and in the order you are supposed to use them. And also it comes with instructions on how to make the coin purse, how to assemble it, and also instructions on how to embroider and all the types of stitches you might use in this embroidery kit. The kit is pretty cool. It comes with everything you need to do this DIY project. I like that the thread is separated like this. It makes it easier to use. Overall, I was pretty excited to start working on this, and as you will see in the video, it was a huge fail. I did not manage to make the coin purse functional, but you will see why in the video. So the second embroidery kit is actually a cactus illustration. It also comes with instructions with all the stitches you might need. It comes with a cloth with the design printed on it and all the embroidery thread you need and 2 embroidery needles. So I actually decided that the second kit will be in a giveaway. So if you want to participate in the giveaway in this video, please do subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give a like and a comment to this video, and you will receive this embroidery kit, the second one, along with free products of your choice from my shop. So I will leave a link to my shop and to New Craft Day's website, so you can check out all the embroidery kits they offer there. And if you do want to join the giveaway, then leave a comment letting me know that you have joined the giveaway, and I will choose the winner in next week's video. I started off by placing my cloth on the embroidery hoop, which they provided in the first kit. The second kit does not have an embroidery hoop, so you need to purchase one that's big enough to fit the whole illustration, but it was nice that the first kit came with the hoop. As I said, I was pretty excited to start embroidering. I don't have any experience with embroidery whatsoever, so this was actually my first time trying to embroider something from start to finish. And while all the instructions were very clear and all the instructions on how to do the stitches were clear, I still had to go onto YouTube and figure out exactly how the stitches work. I will put a text on the screen with each of the type of stitch I used. I started off with a satin stitch, which was a pretty easy one to do, and unfortunately I did mess up on the color here, so the leaf was supposed to be another color, but that's not really important. You can actually design it however you want it. The beginning of the process was pretty promising. I was feeling pretty confident about my embroidery skills. It's only when I got to the more complicated stitches, such as the chain stitch or the French knot stitch, that things became a little bit more complicated. I had a lot of issues with the thread because my needle kept getting stuck and the thread kept coming out, and I totally blame that on my lack of experience in embroidery and not on the kit. So here I am doing like a contour stitch. That was a pretty easy one to do for the tail of the bird. The bird was maybe one of my most successful ones in this embroidery, but I felt like I kept losing my patience with the thread coming out of the needle, and I kept having to thread the needle, and my hand started to hurt at one point. And overall, it was a really difficult experience for me. I don't think I have ever done something so difficult, and I really tried my hardest. I worked 2 days on this project, and I really wished it would have came out a lot better than it did. So I will leave you to watch the whole embroidery process with bits and pieces from it. I didn't film the whole thing because I was pretty stressed out about it. but if you stick until the end of the video, you will see my huge fail when I attempted to assemble the coin purse. So please continue watching and I'll see you at the end of the video. So now that my embroidery is finished and not looking perfect, but it's fine. I was at this point tired of doing embroidery and my fingers hurting. I wanted to see if I can make the coin purse. So as you can see, the cloth has a contour, which I would suggest you cut a bit bigger than I did. I went around the contour and I think I should have left more seam allowance. That was one of my first mistakes when starting to work on the coin purse. So I just cut it out with some scissors and then I tried to figure out which part goes on which. So basically on the embroidered cloth, like the gray one and the matching gray one, which will be the back, you need to apply the cotton cloth, which has adhesive on it. And on top of that, you need to apply the lining, which is the one with the green leaves design. I did iron it a bit. As you can see, the back is pretty messy and I was afraid it would wrinkle up, but the adhesive cloth made it much smoother. So my huge problem with making the coin purse was actually the going around to stitch everything together. So I used a running stitch to go around the bottom of the coin purse, and I immediately realized that I was doing my running stitch at too far of a distance, and when I turned the coin purse around, it had a lot of holes in it, so I redid the running stitch with a softer looking thread, and that seemed to work pretty okay. But even so, because I didn't leave enough seam allowance, the coin purse would come undone in certain places. Now the most difficult part was actually attempting to attach the kiss lock system made out of metal. So in theory, if you would have had perfect stitches, it should have worked just fine, but with my lack of experience in this domain, it was really difficult to attach it. And as you will see, I had a lot of attempts, but I kind of gave up at one point and I didn't really get to finish the coin purse. So overall, this kit is super okay for somebody who has some sort of experience in embroidery. For me personally, embroidery requires a lot of time and patience, which I don't think I have for this particular skill. But I would recommend you, if you are into embroidery, that you check out New Craft Day. I will leave a link to their site. You can also use a discount code for 10% off, which is Anca10. Yeah, this is my review of the embroidery kit. It was one of the most difficult things I had to do as a DIY project. And yeah, don't forget to enter the giveaway. If you're really good at embroidery, I recommend you enter the giveaway, and I will give this second embroidery kit to somebody who can actually make really good use out of it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.